ipandera mo.
107.1 Radyo Bandera, Olongapo City. Pinakarespetado sa news and current affairs.
Basta radyo, ipandera mo. Basta radyo, ipandera mo.
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
Oh yeah, you heard it right. 107.1 News FM, Radyo Bandera, Olongapo City. Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. Maganda kayong lahat. Buti lang ang pogi namin.
107.1 Radyo Bandera.
Oh yes, you heard it right. Radyo Bandera 107.1. Okay, kamusta yung mga tropa ko? How you guys doing? Ayos ba tayo dyan? Ayos ba tayo dyan? Yeah, okay. Kung ayos tayo dyan, di ayos. Tagal ng bakasyon, ano? Yung mga bata, walang pasok nung Friday, walang pasok nung... pati ba Thursday? Wala rin yata silang pasok, no? Oo, Thursday, wala rin, no? Haba. Tapos Lunes, Martes, syempre, Sabado, Linggo, given yan. Kaya lang no? Habang wala silang pasok, yung mga dumarating na gagawin, parang kumaga sa atin, work from home, terrible naman sa dami, grabe. Nakakaiyak. Pero okay lang, ganoon naman talaga wala silang pasok, no? Alam niyo, ang hindi ko gusto, yung may pasok sila, na, hindi, pakinggan niyo muna, hindi ko gusto na may pasok sila. May pasok sila, di ba? Umaga, uwi ng tanghali, babalik alauna, tapos uwi hapon na, gabi. Ang haba nun, di ba? 8 subjects yun. Tapos all 8 subjects din, may assignment pa pag uwi. Ayun ang hindi ko na gusto. Di ba? Parang naisip ko kasi that kind of borders on a little bit of child abuse eh. 8 hours nag-aral, tapos 8 subjects ba yun? Tama ba? Tama ba ako? 8 ba? Tapos all 8 subjects may assignment pa pag pambihira naman. Wag naman. Di ba? Naintindihan ko naman na kailangan learning talaga, mag-aral, matuto. Naintindihan ko naman yun. Pero sana kung isa, dalawa, all 8 subjects may assignment pa pag-uwi. Kawawa naman yung bata. Pagod na. Di ba? Kailangan, pag-uwi sa bahay, kailangan pa mag-isip na kung ano yung gagawin. Kailangan mag-gather ng materials. Kung assignment man niya na mala project ang dating. Di ba? Ako nga, minsan, uwi ako ng 5, di ba? Aalis pa ako uli. Kasi may kailangan siyang material na kailangan bilhin. May kailangan pa siyang, imbis na pareho na kami magpapahinga, no? Hindi naman sa nagko-complain ako sa, yung lang naman, yung ganun lang na 8 hours na nag-aaral eh. Ako naman, 8 hours na rin nagtrabaho. Give us a little break naman, no? Parang ganun. Pero, I'm not complaining fully about sa pag-aaral nila. Yung ganung bagay lang. Oo, kasi, naawa ako nakikita ko eh. Hindi ko tinutukoy itong baka sabihin nyo, kagagaling lang sa bakasyon, nagreklamo si DJ Tommy. I'm talking about, the regular thing that's going on, di ba? Regular thing yan eh. All 8 subjects may assignment pa pag-uwi. Mario Jose, 8 hours na nasa eskwela. Grabe. No? Kawawa naman. Usap-usap na lang kayo mga teacher. Nagbigay ka na ba assignment? Ay, nagbigay na ako eh. Huwag naman tayong lahat 8 magbibigay. Di ba? Mga mga 7. Yan, 7, 6. Pero may pahinga naman kahit pa paano. Yung ganun. Okay, ayan. Kamusta yung bakasyon nyo? Ako kanina pagbalik sa trabaho, nagulat ako eh. Di ba? Umpo ako sa desk ko, di ba? May mga kailangan akong gawin. Sabi ko, mga unang words na binitawan ko, hala! Paano na nga ba to? Paano na nga ba gawin ito? Sabi kong ganun. Tapos yung katabi ko sa trabaho, sino ka? Saan ako naroon? Medyo nagkaroon ng kalituhan sa SB May kanina, no? Yung mga empleyado. Kawawa naman yung mga empleyado. Tila may pasok, tila wala, tila may magre-report sa office, tila hindi, tila work from home, tila hindi. Medyo, it's called miscue. Minsan nagkaka-miscue talaga. Nangyayari yan. Nangyayari yan. Huwag na natin dagdagan. No? Okay. Alright, time now for you to find out about today's holidays and observances. Eto na, umpisa na natin. Holidays and observances, mga kababayan. And the famous people celebrating their birthdays today. Holidays and observances muna. Ayan, find out what's going on. Ano na ba ngayon? August 11. Oh, si paring Augusto Jorge Lacasad Jr. Augusto 11. Augusto 11 is Mountain Day. Oh, in Japan. Mga mahilig mamundok. Kung gusto nyo makiselebrate Mountain Day, punta kayo sa Japan. Sa Japan ha, hindi dito sa Pilipinas, Mountain Day. Iba yung date natin for Mountain Day, no? What else? Ano pa ba? August 11. Yan. Hindi ko nabuksan pasensya na. Hindi ko kagad nabuksan yung source. Ito na, bukas na. Global Kinetic Sand Day. Yan. Pag sinabing Global Kinetic Sand, yan yung mga kalupaan na kinetic lang, stored lang, parang gano'n. Pag sinabing kinetic energy, di ba, stored energy, parang hindi nagagamit, yan, nandiyan lang. Yan. Pero has the potential to be used, of course. Align your teeth day. Yan. Pwede rin itong tawaging braces day. The brace, no? Align your teeth day. You know, some of us were born na straight na yung teeth, wala nang problema, hindi na kailangan ng what do you call that? Brace, no? Pero meron namang pinapanganak sungki-sungki. Na kailangan talaga ng brace, no? O, di ba lang sungki-sungki yung ngipin, wag lang sungki-sungki yung ugali, no? Kagaya ni kanina, yon. Alam nyo? Kanina. Oh. Hip Hop Day. August 11, Hip Hop Day. Sons and Daughters Day. Oh, okay. Celebrate with your siblings. Yung mga kasi Sons and Daughters Day today. Those who are sons and those who are daughters. Everybody's a son and everybody's a daughter. Di ba? Okay. Popsicle Day. It's been a long time since I last had popsicle. Okay. Presidential Joke Day. What's your favorite presidential joke? Ay, nung presidente si Erap, ang dami. Same address. In Malacanang. Pakidala na lang dun yung parcel. May nagtanong paano daw siya tatawagin, anong gusto niya, nung first time niya maging presidente, no? Paano daw siya i-address? Sabi nga, Mr. President, how do we address you po? Same address, in Malacanang. Sabi ni Jinggoy, Dad, bili naman tayong bagong laptop. Ang bigat na ng laptop ko Ang bigat na ng laptop na to. Palitan na natin ng bago. Ano ka ba, Jinggoy? Jinggoy. Jinggoy. Ano ka ba, Jinggoy? Para gumaan yan, mag-delete ka ng files. O nga naman, no? Ilang gigabyte din yun, di ba? Kaya mabigat, Okay. What else? Ano pang holidays and observances natin? Presidential joke. Steel pan day, the steel pan. Panluto, pamprito, steel pan. Yan, okay. Uy, ingat kayo dun sa yung may mga coating na yung may mga coating na non-stick, pero nababakbak. O, pag nakain nyo yun, it's made of Teflon. It's cancer causing. Same with, parang asbestos lang. It can cause cancer. Okay? So, ingat kayo dun, ha. Nowadays kasi may mga kung ano nung lumalabas na coating, pero yung iba parang yun din Ano mo yun? Binigyan lang ng ibang kulay. Tapos yung iba naman parang sabi ceramic. Pero kung hahawakan mo, ginawa lang puti. Yung Teflon din yun Parang ganun Kaya mag-ingat kayo. Obserbahan nyo maigi. So nothing beats steel pan. Yung steel lang talaga, bakal lang. No? Meron ding forged steel. Metal forged metal. Yan yung mga healthy. No? Na lutuan. Tsaka nung unang panahon, yan lang naman talaga mga lutuan Mga metal, mga bakal. Walang coating, di ba? So, okay naman sila, di ba? Yung ngayon, hindi na okay yung ngayon Ang daming ang dami ng nadidepress. Konting bagay, madidepress. Konting bagay, complain. Konting bagay, post sa Facebook. Ang dami ng skyflakes. Skyflakes. Snowflakes. Noon, okay lang naman di ba? Okay lang naman kami noon di ba? Okay, siya. So, moving on. Those are today's holidays and observances for August 11. Si paring Augusto Jorge Lacasad Jr. 11. Okay. So time now for the famous people celebrating their birthdays today. August 11 birthday celebrants, this one's for you, the famous birthday segment.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. This is being brought to you by Angel's Pizza Olongapo. They are inviting you to check out Topping Sobonga flavor. Alright? Toppings Sobonga talaga. Ang daming toppings na nakalagay. Yan. So, if you want, go see it. Check it out yourself. Visit Angel's Pizza Olongapo, number 395 Rizal Avenue, West Tapinac, Olongapo City. You may also call or text 0932-707-4045. They are open from 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. 12 midnight. Yan, mahaba yung window of opportunity maka-order hanggang 12 midnight. Grabe! And avail of the APC card. Kung wala ka pang APC card, nako, grabe. May buy one, take one offers yan at kung ano-ano pa. Iba-ibang offers every time. Okay? Yung buy one, take one offer on family size and big family. Same size pizza. Bahala ka na kung anong flavor na gusto mong pangalawa. Libre yun. Basta libre, promise. So, grab hold of the APC card today. Alright. Here are the famous people celebrating the birthdays today. Actor, dancer, model, TV show host, Jong Hilario, August 11, 1976. TV actress, Alisa Alano, August 11, 1987. Happy birthday to you. And TV personality, anchor, Cory Quirino, August 11, 1953. Next up, we have happy birthday also to Will Friedle. You guys remember Boy Meets World on Disney? Wow. Parang kailan lang pinapanood namin yun, ano? Dahil my daughter, when she was a kid, when she was a little kid, he loves watching the Boy Meets World TV show. TV series. Is it on Disney or Disney ba siya o Nickelodeon? I don't know. I don't remember. Hindi ko na maalala. But anyways, I can click on the link. Boy Meets World is a TV series that had 158 episodes. Yan. On what TV? Hindi rin sinabi, no? Anyway. So anyways, happy birthday to you, Will Friedle, aka Cory Matthews. He will forever be known as Cory Matthews. Eric Matthews, I'm sorry. Yung kapatid ni Cory Matthews. All right. And next up, we have happy birthday also to... Happy birthday to you. I'm running out of names here. Oh, Viola Davis. There you go. Turned 61 today. Viola Davis of Grey's Anatomy. Yeah, movie and TV actress. And she also became the producer of Grey's Anatomy, right? Produced a lot of episodes. Next up, we have happy birthday also to you, Mr. Joe Rogan. His podcast is really, really popular. Joe Rogan. Yeah, okay? And very interesting to listen. And happy birthday also to Hulk Hogan. But the birth anniversary for him, he was born August 11, 1953. He passed away just last year, no? Just last year lang si Hulk Hogan. His real name is Terry... what's his apelido? I forgot. Terry something. It doesn't say here, you know? I'm looking at his bio. But anyways. Hulk Hogan! What you gonna do when the biggest arm and Hulkamaniacs run wild on you? Kuha ko ba? Hindi. And lastly, Mr. Chris Hemsworth. He was in the movie Rush, The Cabin in the Woods, Vacation, Ghostbusters, Men in Black International. Si Chris Hemsworth. Yan. And his brother is who's the other Hemsworth? Yan. And also, more importantly, he's best known for playing the role of Thor in the Marvel film series, The God of Thunder. Chris Hemsworth, August 11, 1983. So there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you August 11 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
you. Happy birthday to you. Couple of my friends also celebrating the birthdays today. Si Tatang Ed. Edison Broqueza. Happy birthday to you. Kamusta ka na, Tatang Ed? I miss you, ha? Tagal na kita hindi nakikita. Nasaan ka ba? Nasaan ka man, dyan ka lang. Wala akong pamasahe, tsaka umuulan. But anyways, nonetheless, happy birthday po sa'yo, ha? Kuya Ed, Sir Ed Broqueza. Happy birthday to you. And next up we have happy birthday also to... who else do we gotta greet? Yung mga nagbe-birthday ngayon. Si Kuya Sogi. Ayan, napakagaling na musikero, napakagaling na gitarista. Si Kuya Sogi. If I'm not mistaken, Fernandez. Inalis mo kasi yung Fernandez sa Facebook mo, yun. Fernandez ba? Tama ba? Sogi Fernandez or Hernandez. Ayan. Kuya Sogi, idol natin yan eh. Galing-galing. Okay? Idol pa rin natin to na musikero din. Ayan. Si Kuya Julius Apostol. Happy birthday to you, Sir Julius. Kamusta ka na? It's been a long time since I last saw you. Dati nagiging guest namin itong mga to sa yung band niya sa doon sa isang radio station na yung dati na yung si kasi yung masyadong maano. Panay ang ayun, Si Kuya Jolo Magrata. MC Extraordinaire and Hype Man. Kuya Jolo, penging lumpia. Lumpiang Shanghai. Happy birthday, Jolo, ha? Idol. All right. So there you have it. Couple of my friends celebrating the birthdays today. And your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Call or text me up 0910-6909501. Call or text me up. Okay? Pwede rin i-comment sa ating live video that is up right now on the Facebook page of this radio station, Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM. So guys, just, check it out. All right. So we will be back with more latest announcements from in and around the city. If you guys got announcements, yung mga gusto nyong ipanawagan dyan, let me know. Panawagan natin sa kinaukulan. But for the meantime, we need to take the real quick, top of the hour break. We will be right back. Please stick around.
Radyo Bandera, makinig